Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest from AMD, the newly launched Ryzen 9000 series. Let's get started. AMD has just made the Ryzen 9000 series official, introducing us to their next-gen Zen 5 processors, codenamed Granite Ridge. These processors are set to launch on the month of July, and there's a lot to be excited about. First up, let's talk about the lineup. AMD is kicking things off with 4 new models. The Ryzen 99950X with 16 cores, 170 watts TDP, and a boost clock up to 5.7 GHz. The Ryzen 99900EX with 12 cores, 120 watts TDP, and a boost clock up to 5.6 GHz. The Ryzen 79700X with 8 cores, 65 watts TDP, and a boost clock up to 5.5 GHz. The Ryzen 5 9600X with 6 cores, 65 watts TDP, and a boost clock up to 5.4 GHz. Performance-wise, AMD has made some bold claims. Their flagship, Ryzen 9 9950X is reported to be 4% to 23% faster in gaming compared to Intel's Core i9-14900K, and in productivity tasks, it's even more impressive, outperforming the i9-14900K by 7% to 56%. So, what makes these processors so powerful? The new Zen 5 architecture. AMD has achieved a 16% improvement in instructions per clock, or IPC, over the previous Zen 4 architecture. This continues AMD's trend of consistent performance improvements with each generation. The Ryzen 9000 series uses the same AM5 socket and I/O die as their predecessors, but with updated Zen 5 chiplets and some tweaks to the capacitor layout. This means you can expect better performance and efficiency without needing a new motherboard. The most significant improvement is observed in the Geekbench 5.4 AES test and the smallest in Far Cry 6. Looking ahead, AMD has hinted at launching the 9000X3D series soon after Intel's Core Ultra 200 series, which is expected in Q4 2024. Pricing details for the Ryzen 9000 series haven't been announced yet, but we'll keep you posted as soon as we know more. That's it for today's quick update on AMD's Ryzen 9000 series. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future updates.